So today I'm going to be making a hand sanitizer, and this is something that you can use instead of an antibacterial gel. The essential oils, majority of essential oils actually do have many uses as antibacterials. And that's why a lot of essential oils are studied for their use against antibiotic resistance, which is such a big problem. So this is a really easy hand sanitizer that you can make at home for yourself, and you can just keep it in your bag and you can just use it as and when you need. Now this, I need to say that this is complete inspiration from Mel Shaw and her recipe, which I've been using for a long time, and this is a slight adaptation to her recipe, and I'll put her recipe and video in the link in the description so you can have a look at Mel. So thank you, Mel. Mel's a herbalist who practices quite close by to me, and she's a good friend, so I will link to her, but this is an inspiration from her recipe. So it's very simple. It's 50 ml of distilled witch hazel, which is easy to measure in this. I'm not using a measuring cylinder or anything because this is actually a 50 ml bottle, so I'm just going to pour it straight into the bottle. There we go, up to the shoulder is 50 ml. So this is just distilled witch hazel. You could use another hydrosol if you wanted, but do remember if you're using another hydrosol, it's going to be more difficult to stay stable and not grow any kind of mold. So do watch my videos for details on that. Get the right one. So next is 5 drops of lavender essential oil. Right. Oh, that was actually 6, but that's okay. Don't be panicking if that does happen. 3 drops of eucalyptus essential oil. Oh, again, that was 3 and a bit. And 2 drops of thyme essential oil. Oh, there we go. 2 drops of the thyme. And then just pop top on. Oh. If it wants to go. And give it a good shake. Now you will need to give it a good shake before every use. You'll see that this is, it's gone slightly cloudy, and that's the essential oils dispersed throughout, so that's what you want. They will separate to the top just naturally. Don't worry about that. Just make sure you give it a shake before use, and then you can just spray it on your hands. And it's very easy to just make. It's probably only going to last, I would say, 6 to 8 months, probably because of the quite small amount of essential oils in there as a preservative, and just they will lose potency once you take them out and about, and they're subject to heat and sunlight. So about 6 to 8 months, you can just pop a label on there, and then you're ready to go. And it is safe for anybody to use. There aren't any restrictions, so you can just use that as a hand sanitizer. So this is the recipe. I've got it written out so that you can see what I just made. Really easy. 50 ml of the distilled witch hazel, and again you could use a hydrosol instead of that. 5 drops of lavender essential oil, 3 drops of eucalyptus essential oil, and 2 drops of thyme essential oil. Do like and comment on the video, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for notifications of when I do a next video, which generally is about every week. So do look out for various herbal videos coming soon.